the next question that I have, it just came in. Okay, the next question is, of course, we all know what's happening the first half of this year. We have the pandemic, right? The COVID-19. So with this thing that is affecting everybody globally, I don't know about you, do you guys see any fire sale in the London or the UK property market over the last few months?
To be honest, sad to say, I don't know whether it's sad to say or good to say, because there's we haven't really seen any fire sale yet from the developers. The developers are still holding on to the prices fairly tightly. Of course, they will give some discount,
Which is probably a good time, which is why now is a good time for people to start looking, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
So,
But maybe Marcus, Victor, do you, because of what's going on, because you guys have been doing this for so many years, do you individually have your own clients coming to you saying that, Victor, Marcus, Wenxiong, I'm so worried right now, I just want to dump my UK property altogether? Do you see that in the last?
No. Sorry.
Okay. Surprisingly, no, not at all. As a matter of fact, I get more inquiries about UK property, as in wanted to buy UK property rather than buyers wanted to sell their London property.
I think a lot of UK buyers are shifting from US to UK, and the Chinese too. The Chinese used to buy a lot of US properties.
Yes.
But because of our big friend in America, and of course our big friend in China as well, I think the Chinese have refocused their investment into the UK. The UK, it includes London, Manchester, Birmingham, and a few other cities.
I think I agree
with me, right?
There were a lot of inquiry coming in because I think especially those seasoned investors.
Inquiry to buy or inquiry to sell? To buy, okay.
Because I think a lot of the seasoned investors, they find this as an opportunity for them to pick up something. I think the feedback I'm getting is that they feel that the economy will start growing again and the pound will start strengthening moving forward, at least in the medium term. They are quite positive about the ability of the government to handle Brexit as well as COVID-19. I know there are some numbers that are showing the numbers are going up, but they believe they can weather that through. And the product will start to climb again in terms of the pricing. So there were a lot of inquiry on my side asking, are the developer willing to negotiate, for example, while there are no fire sales, I have bought a few offers to the developer in the last couple of months. It's true, the developer are actually more willing to talk about increasing their discount a bit more during this period.
Yep.
Yeah, and it is quite an opportunity time for you to now put an offer in and let's see how far it can stretch the developer.
Totally agree. Because in a good time, if you are a developer and you see everybody trying to buy a unit from you, you wouldn't be so motivated to do a discount, isn't it?